Well, today we got a package. Brand new in 2010. We got new exhaust for the car. I know it's raining, but we gotta get the exhaust in. I just can't wait to hear how it sounds. Now, what we have here is the Borla S-type exhaust. So I just got the mufflers because I'm not made of money, but we're using the stock mid pipes and we have the headers on already. So, and we have high flow cats. So it should sound pretty decent. Now jacking up the rear of the car is so easy, that's why I'm doing it in the rain. We should probably put the parking brake on in the car. I wonder what I missed. Something's not recorded. Just because it's more expensive doesn't mean it's more better. You do not need 6-ton jacks to work on a Camaro. They never fit under the car. Bad purchase, go with the smaller ones. Okay, we got the car completely jacked up. These big honkers are coming out. Turns out I am not that good at this. Dang it. Oh, it's all done. There we go. About an hour of bad welds later, here we go. Whoa! Got a nice V8 sound now. I mean, this is the perfect exhaust for when you just want to daily drive a car. It is not too loud, no droning. We're just chilling. But when you want it, you got it.